Hello, welcome back to Team Chungy. Today I'll be baking a lemon drizzle cake. So here's the ingredients. We've got 4 eggs, 225g unsalted butter, 225g of self-raising flour, 200g of caster sugar, 85g of caster sugar, 2 grated lemon zest, and 1 squeezed lemon juice. Firstly, we need to preheat the oven to 185 Celsius and also line the tin. As you can see, I've already done mine. Just put that to the side and let's get cracking with the baking. So the next part is to add the caster sugar and then add the unsalted butter. And what we're going to do is mix it together and blend it up until it becomes creamy and smooth. So this bit can be a bit hard work if you're using a spatula like me. It's a nice bit of exercise on the arms. As you can see, it's nearly done. You can see both is combined nicely. Now next up, we want the sieving flour. That mix. And then add the 4 eggs into the mix. Just do one by one. As you can see, the mixture's become more liquid. And then add the lemon zest. If you really like lemon, add more, grate more lemon, add more lemon zest. Yeah, a little bit. Mix. Now we get our tin and put the mixture in the tin. Spread it out. That's all done. The next part we're going to put it in the oven. Here you go, it's a fillet meat. We'll put this in the oven now. So the oven's preheated to about 185. Put this in the middle shelf. And this will go in for about 40 to 45 minutes. So we're about 35 minutes in, and just checking in our lemon drizzle cake. As you can see, it has rised and it's getting nice and lightly brown on top. And it smells lovely. So we've got probably about another 10 minutes or so, then we'll recheck it again. While the cake's in the oven, we can start to make our lemon drizzle topping. So first, get our little pot, low heat, and add the lemon juice. And add the caster sugar. Give a good stir. Roll the wine until the sugar's melt. As you can see, the sugar is pretty much melted. Give it a little taste. It's perfect. We don't want the topping to be sour. It needs to be sweet. If it's too sour, add a little bit more caster sugar in. Now just turn the fire off and put that to the side. So it's been about 45 minutes, just checking in, and it looks pretty much done. So let's turn the oven off and let's get it out. Let's put it to the side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it to cool down for a bit, and to get a long cocktail stick and make laser holes on top. What we're going to do is we're going to pour the drizzle on top, and the drizzle will also go down into the hole and into our lovely cake. There you go. Now it's pretty much just leave it for about 5 minutes or so, let it cool down, and it's all done.